If you want to upload content on Autopilot, Zapier is one of the easiest tools you can use to connect your files and your publishing workflow without having to do everything manually. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a simple automation in Zapier so you can take a new file from Google Drive and send it into a YouTube upload workflow automatically. This is a great way to save time, stay consistent, and reduce repetitive tasks if you upload content often. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create. This is where you start building a new automation. Zapier calls these automations zaps, and each zap has two main parts, a trigger and an action. After you click Create, select Zap Workflows. This opens the workflow builder where you can connect one app to another and tell Zapier exactly what should happen automatically. Think of it like setting up a chain reaction. One event happens and Zapier takes care of the rest. Now we're going to choose the trigger. Click Trigger to begin. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. So in this case, we want Zapier to watch for something in Google Drive. In the app search box, type Google Drive and select it. Once Google Drive is connected, choose the trigger event called New File in Folder. This means Zapier will look for any new file that gets added to a specific folder in your drive. That's the key to making the process automatic, because every time you drop a new file into that folder, the Zap will know something new is ready. Next, log into your Google account when prompted. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the folder where your content is stored. After that, Zapier will ask you to pick the folder you want it to monitor. Choose the folder where you'll be adding your video or content files. This step is important because Zapier will only watch the folder you select. Once the trigger is set up, move on to the action step. Click Action to add the next part of your workflow. The action is what Zapier does after the trigger happens. Now search for YouTube or select another app if you want to send your files somewhere else. For this example, we're using YouTube. After selecting the app, choose the event Upload Video. This tells Zapier that when a new file appears in your Google Drive folder, it should prepare that file for a YouTube upload. Then log in to your YouTube account when asked. Again, make sure you're using the correct account connected to the channel you want to automate. Zapier will then connect to your channel so it can access the upload action. After that, click Build It in the top section to continue setting up the workflow. Click Test Run to make sure everything works correctly. This will simulate the automation and show you whether Zapier can properly detect the file in Google Drive and send it into the upload step. Testing is really important because it helps you catch any issues before the automation goes live. If the test works and everything looks good, click Publish. That turns your Zap on and activates the automation. From this point on, your workflow will run automatically whenever the trigger event happens, and that's it. You've now set up a simple Zapier automation to upload content on Autopilot. Instead of manually moving files and repeating the same steps every time, Zapier handles the workflow for you in the background. That means more consistency, less manual work, and more time to focus on creating content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.